Hey, wanna play basketball later?
Of course, I'm ready. Do you know how to play?
Not bad. And you?
I'm a pretty good dribbler. Let's try it.
Cool. Where do we play?
Let's play chess now. Are you ready to play?
We are ready to start the game.
Wow!
Say hello to my little friend!
Oh no!
Let's win for sure.
That's how we win the king's not moving.
Okay.
What do you mean by that?
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
I support you, pawn. Listen to the palm.
Who's laughing now?
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty, naughty.
That's what she said.
Friends, have you installed the watering cans for sure?
Hey, thanks for watching this video to the end.
If you liked it, put a like and subscribe to the channel.
And we should get going. Bye-bye.